I've ordered my Sony home theater A9 about 3 weeks ago. Finally, I received it on September 30th, about 2 or 3 days ago. I've installed, but the problem is after the first day, it doesn't keep the wireless connection with the front speaker left. I tried to link it about more than 10 times, but it keep connection only for 5 seconds, then it's disconnected. You can see the red light flashing here, but for the others, it's green and it shows the connected. The subwoofer is connected, which I was purchased separately. Rear right, rear left, but the problem is for the front speaker left side. So if it continues to remain like this, I will return the whole system, which has paid about $2,500. I'm really disappointed.